Surah 76, Al-Dahr, time. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Was there a period of time when man was not even worthy of a mention? Verily, we created man out of a drop of intermingled sperm, so that we might try him, and we therefore endowed him with hearing and sight. Surely, we showed him the right path, regardless of whether he chooses to be thankful or unthankful to his Lord. For the unbelievers, we have kept ready chains and fetters and a blazing fire. The virtuous shall drink from a cup tempered with camphor water. This will be a gushing spring wherefrom Allah's servants shall drink wine, a spring from which they will take out channels wherever they wish. These will be the ones who fulfill their vows and dread the day whose woe shall be spread far and wide. Those who for the love of him feed the needy and the orphan and the captive, saying, we feed you only for Allah's sake. We do not seek of you any recompense or thanks. We fear from our Lord a day that shall be long and distressful. So Allah shall guard them against the woe of that day, and will procure them freshness and joy, and will reward them for their steadfastness with paradise and robes of silk. There they will recline on elevated couches, and will be subjected neither to the burning heat of the sun nor to bitter cold. The shades of paradise will bend over them, and its fruits will be brought within their easy reach. And there shall be passed around them vessels of silver and goblets of crystal. Goblets bright as crystal, but made of silver, filled to exact measure. Therein they shall be served a cup flavored with ginger, drawn from a spring in paradise called Salsabil. There boys of everlasting youth shall go about attending them. When you see them, you would think that they are scattered pearls. Whitherto you look around, you will see an abundance of bliss and the glories of a great kingdom. They, i.e. the virtuous, shall be attired in garments of fine green silk and rich brocade, and will be adorned with bracelets of silver. Their Lord will give them a pure wine to drink. Behold, this is your recompense, and your endeavor has been appreciated. O Prophet, indeed, we have revealed the Quran to you in portions. So persevere with the command of your Lord, and do not pay any heed to the wicked and the unbelieving. And remember the name of your Lord morning and evening, and prostrate yourself before him at night, and extol his glory during the long watches of the night. Verily, they love the good of this world that is hastily obtainable, and are oblivious of the burdensome day ahead of them. We created them and strengthened their joints, and whenever we wish, we can change their faces entirely. Verily, this is an exhortation, so let him whoso will take away to his Lord. But your willing shall be of no avail until Allah himself so wills. Surely Allah is all-knowing, most wise. He admits to his mercy whomsoever he pleases. As for the wrongdoers, he has prepared for them a grievous chastisement.